Hello everyone, my name is Amber Johnson and I am in Fundamentals of Physics, Section 1. My teacher is Raul. The name of my podcast is Principles of Freefall. The purpose of my podcast is to understand freefall and its effects on everyday life. Freefall is a downward movement only under the force of gravity. What that means is gravity is pushing any kind of object down at the most reasonable rate of acceleration. So to cut it short, every object is going down, and it's because of gravity unless affected by air resistance. Okay, so now I'm going to show you part 1 of my experiment. First, I have a full bottle of water. I also have an empty bottle of water. Now let's see if they both hit the ground at the same height and speed as well. Now what you just saw is the bottles hitting the ground at the same speed and time. Weight was not of relevance in this case, only gravity. Now for part 2 of my experiment, I have a regular piece of paper and a full bottle of water. Now let's see if they hit the floor at the same height and speed as experiment 1. Now what you just saw was air resistance playing a role with me dropping the paper and it falling a lot slower than the full bottle of water. What do you think would happen if I took this piece of paper, crumbled it up, and redid that same experiment with this full bottle of water? Let's find out. So, this brings us right back to experiment 1. Both objects had the same air resistance, which was close to 0 and fell at the same time, height, and speed. Free fall affected them both in the same way. When an object is in free fall, it no longer has air resistance because the air resistance makes it a lot harder for the object to fall. In conclusion, you saw that when an object is in free fall, no matter what the weight, and they are both released at the same time and height, then that's how they will hit the ground. Once again, my name is Amber Johnson, and thanks for watching my podcast. Bye.